Hello everyone. In the last video, we saw how to download and install Python, Sublime Text and PyCharm. In this one, I will show you how to set the path variable so that you can use Python. So first, search for Python. This you will see this shortcut. Right click on it and open file location. In the file location, again right click on the file and again open the file location. Now copy the address to this file. Right click, copy. Now head on to the Cortana and open the this PC. Search for this PC. Then right click on it, go to properties. In properties, click on advanced system settings. In the advanced system settings, click for environment variables. In the environment variables, you can find something called path written there. In the path, double click on it and create a new path. In this, paste the path variable you have copied from the python.exe and then add it. Since I have done this beforehand, so I'll not add it again, but I have shown you how to do it. Press OK. After adding, press OK and then continue with OK by again press OK and then close this with OK. And finally, you have set up the path variable. And when you now open the python.exe, you can actually run the codes. Without setting the path variable, you will get errors and you cannot run the codes actually. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you soon in our next video. Bye.